custom windshield. Yes, it looks like most of the other ones, but we designed it out of cardboard. This is it on my boat. So we have all the pieces cut, and now we just need to tack them onto this boat. Okay, now that we have our motor in, it's time to start mocking some stuff up. We put the water box in, the VTS. We just have to figure out where we want our gas tank, heat exchanger, intercooler, and everything. On our 14-foot boat, we put the heat exchanger on the stringer like this. But I'm just worried about having enough room with the gas tank here. And I want to run dual bilge pumps. So it'll go in this area and in that area on that stringer. So I don't want to block it. So we just kind of got to start placing things and figuring out what's going to work best. So I'm doing a dual exhaust on my boat. So that's what these are. They're going to come out right off the swim platform and look pretty cool. Yep. Nope. It's up. That's probably pretty good. So these two pipes will come together and then from the middle go down to the water box. So we put the floor in and we set the seat on it to mock it up just for visibility of the windshield. We put the steering in with the steering wheel so we could make sure everything's good for placement, dead pedal size, everything was going to be good. Then we worked a bit on the back here. We built a bracket off the stringer to hold the heat exchanger. And we ran some of the hoses. So these big ones are for the coolant. The littler ones, one's tucked down in there, one there, are for the water. So one of them come from the sand trap that comes from the back of the boat. The other one tees off to the intercooler that will be up on top of the gas tank. The other one goes over to the exhaust, and then they'll go out on that side of the boat through the pissers. You can see the dual exhaust there. Gas tank, of course, is going to be on that side. The intercooler will be on top of it. The charge pipes will run just right here to the supercharger and the throttle body. Water lines will be easy enough to get to. This side will have the battery kind of behind the sand trap here in front of the bulkhead. I guess behind the bulkhead. And that leaves this area for storage, hopefully. You can see behind the seat will be lots of room. There's about 5 inches between the seat and the bulkhead. So there'll be room behind the seat for life jackets and paddles or whatever. Then hopefully lots of storage back here. And everything will be kept nice and simple.